Hello everyone, welcome to Law Kanya. Supreme Court yesterday gave a historic judgment in the case of ABHILASHA versus PRAKASH. Supreme Court has held that a daughter who has attained majority and is still unmarried is not entitled to claim maintenance from her father in proceedings under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure if she is not suffering from any physical or mental abnormality or injury. The bench, headed by Justice Ashok Bhushan, held that unmarried Hindu daughter can claim maintenance from her father till she is married, relying on Section 20, subsection 3 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, provided she pleads and proves that she is unable to maintain herself, for enforcement of which her right application to suit under Section 20 of the Act. The legislature never contemplated to burden the magistrate while exercising jurisdiction under Section 125 of Cr.P.C. to determine claims contemplated by the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956. The bench also comprised of Justice R. Subhash Reddy and M.R. Shah. The contention of the appellant in this case was that as per Section 20 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, a person has an obligation to maintain his daughter, who is married, extends till she is married. The appellant, when she was minor, had filed an application which was filed under Section 125 CRPC before the Judicial Magistrate First Class. The magistrate disposed the application, limiting the claim for the appellant to claim maintenance till she attains majority. This order was also upheld by the High Court. Now, the issue considered by the Apex Court bench was whether a Hindu unmarried daughter is entitled to claim maintenance from her father under Section 125 CRPC only till she attains majority, or can she claim maintenance till she remains unmarried? The contention of the appellant was that even if she is not suffering from any physical or mental abnormality or injury by virtue of Section 20 of the Act of 1956, she is entitled to claim maintenance till she is unmarried. The appellant relied on the decision in the Jagdish Jugawat versus Manjulata of 2002. The court observed that the decision in Jagdish cannot be read laying down to the ratio that in proceedings under Section 125 CRPC filed by the daughters against her father, she is entitled to maintenance, relying on the liability of the father to maintain her unmarried daughter as contained in Section 220 of the Act of 1956. Referring to the same section of the Act, the bench also observed that Section 20, subclause 3 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act is nothing but recognition of the principle of Hindu law regarding maintenance of children and aged parents. Now, Section 20, subclause 3 makes it statutory obligation of a Hindu to maintain his or her daughter who is unmarried and is unable to maintain herself out of her own earnings or other properties. Section 20 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act also casts a statutory obligation on the Hindu to maintain his daughter who is unmarried and unable to maintain herself out of her own earnings or other property. As noted, the Hindu law prior to the Amendment Act 1956 always obliged a Hindu to maintain unmarried daughter who is unable to maintain herself. The obligation which is cast on a father to maintain his unmarried daughter can be enforced by her against her father if she is unable to maintain herself under Section 20. Now, the proviso under Section 20 casts clearly statutory obligation of a Hindu to maintain his unmarried daughter who is unable to maintain herself. The right of unmarried daughter under Section 20 from her father when she is unable to maintain herself is absolute, and the right given to unmarried daughter is a right guaranteed under personal law, which can very well be enforced by her against her father. Now, the judgment of this court in Jagdish case laid down that the Section 20, subclause 3 recognized the rights of a minor girl to claim maintenance after she attains majority till her marriage from her father. Unmarried daughter is clearly entitled for maintenance from her father till she is married, even though she has become major, which is a statutory right under Section 20 of the Hindu law. Now, the bench also referred to the case of Noor Sabah Khatun versus Muhammad Qasim, that is of case 1997, and observed that the effect of beneficial legislations like the Section 125 of Cr.P.C cannot be allowed to defeat except through clear provision of a statute. The court observed that where the family court has jurisdiction to decide a case under 125 as well as the suit under Section 20 of the Act, it can exercise jurisdiction under both the acts and in appropriate case can grant maintenance to unmarried daughter even though she has become major, enforcing her right under Section 20 so as to avoid multiplicity of proceedings. But taking note of the fact that instant application was filed before magistrate invoking Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code, the court said the purpose and object of Section 125 is to provide immediate relief to applicant in summary proceedings, whereas right under Section 20 contains larger right which needs determination by a civil court. Hence, for larger claims as enshrined under Section 20 of Hindu law, the proceedings needs to be initiated and the legislature can never contemplate to burden the magistrate while exercising jurisdiction under Section 125 to determine claims contemplated by the Act of 1956. Now, the court dismissed the appeal and bench gave liberty to the applicant to take recourse under Section 23 of the Act, if so advised, for claiming any maintenance against her father.